Alright, so everybody, we're not going to use Filmora because my storage is full, but I'm going to show you my MrBeast lab. Alright, I'm sorry my lens are not good. Here we go, perfect. This is the MrBeast lab that I got in Five Below as well. Let's start. I have to go to bed soon. But don't worry, tomorrow it's Saturday. I have no school. So hard to open. So hard. I'm gonna stop and pause. Here we go. Oh. Come on. It's kind of hard. Oh, there we go. Alright, let's see what we got. Kind of looks like a parachute. Here we have a sticker of a hexagon picture of Demian's characters. Take off this. Here's the big flyer. We got, sorry everybody. Here it is, everybody. We got Hyperfusion. Wow. MrBeast is a nice YouTuber forever, in my opinion. Here's the flyer. Some mini games. Here's the flyer. Wow. MrBeast Lab. Okay. Let's see what's in here. Let's start with the first one. Ooh. Here it is, everybody. Okay. Alright. Sorry, everybody. It's a little messy. The next one. Oh, wow. It's like robotic. It's a toilet. Sorry you can't see in focus. Skibbity toilet. Last one. Oh, wow. Yeah. Alright, hope you like this video. And you could put it as a sale. Oh, forgot this. Alright. Alright, hope you liked my unboxing video. I have to go to bed. I don't know if I'm shy. Yeah. Alright, that's it.